It is time to reveal something. But first let me explain. 2 years has passed since the fall of the Golden Age, and I was always watching you. Some of you already gave up and vanished from the main stage. Others became great players and continued their journey by looking for bigger and harder challenges. Unfortunately, your realm disappeared. From now on, things will be different. It is time to close the gap by bringing all of you together. Again, this is an invitation which goes out to all of you. There are people out there who demotes you, don't take your talent serious, and argue with completely nonsense. The game is as competitive as you take it. Enough. It is time to show you what your hopes and dreams as a community has created. My goal is to bind the shattered country together and revive the Golden Age. If you accept this invitation, I welcome you to Smash Camp.
Let me smash, please.